Hi, to get back classic theme on Xiaomi 13, as a first step we need to go in the settings and from here scroll so we can see this theme section. Select it and now take a look at the bottom of the page. Here you would see 3 tabs: Home, Categories and My Account. You would need to select My Account, then choose Themes, and now you can see the list of your installed themes. So, to get back classic theme, you would need to simply tap on it and then choose to apply. And just in a couple of seconds, it would be applied. So, let's check it. And yes, here it is, the classic theme of the Xiaomi 13. And you can do just the same if you find these themes app directly on your homepage or in the app drawer. So just open it, and after that as well go in your account and select classic theme. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.